Hello everyone. Recently, I had been to a school here, and I overheard a few students discussing during the leisure time that they are feeling very insecure. Nobody understands them, either the parents or the teachers or the school authorities. They were little depressed, and they were annoyed about the system of education and all. So I overheard them, on basic points, particularly regarding the assignments, the pressure expectations from the parents, expectation from the teachers. They were a little bit, overawed, by the system of education and the way, the pressure is getting mounted from the school side as well as from the parent side. And sometimes, they are very worried about the comparison made between other friends, how they are excelling and how their parents are comparing with other children, regarding their ability and how they are very inept and unable to compete with them. So my main advice to every one of you, even for the teachers, for the school administration, the parents, is never make any comparison between children. See, all the five fingers are not same. We are born in different ways. The aptitude varies, the performance level varies, our IQ levels also vary. So the system of education should be so. See, we need to think about it. Of course, curriculum cannot be changed, but how to inculcate all these things in the minds of the children, that is the prerogative of the school authorities as well as the teachers. Even parents also, parents need to support their children. The parents need to come and discuss on a table with the school authorities as well as the teachers. It will automatically develop when all of you sit together and do this. Simply, blaming and putting pressure, that will ruin them. They will get depleted, they will get depressed, and ultimately you are not going to achieve anything. Rather, they will be fish out of water and will be staggering here and there. So my objective of taking up, this particular video is that parents, you need to understand, love your children, love your kids, understand, ask them what they need, and similarly the school authorities, particularly the teachers, need to provide a helping hand for them. I hope this video will be giving a lot of messages to everyone. Thank you very much.